Welcome to Australian Islamic College Dianella, where academic excellence, Islamic values, and personal growth come together to shape compassionate and confident leaders of tomorrow. Our day begins with the remembrance of Allah. At the early childhood playground, our youngest learners explore and grow in a vibrant, safe space. Through play, they build friendships and learn the importance of kindness and cooperation. On the basketball court, students channel energy and enthusiasm, developing teamwork and resilience. Our sports programs instill discipline and sportsmanship, encouraging students to strive for their personal best. And that's why in our physical education classes, we promote holistic well-being. Our science lab is the hub of curiosity and innovation. Here, students conduct experiments and explore the wonders of the natural world, understanding the wisdom behind Allah's creation and the intricate laws that govern us. In the computer lab, students explore the world of technology, mastering coding and digital skills. They learn to harness technology responsibly, using it to drive positive change in the world. The art room is a haven for creativity, where students express themselves through vibrant designs, carrying forward the heritage of Islamic architecture, calligraphy, and ceramics. As they explore beauty and push the boundaries of imagination, they connect with a rich cultural legacy in arts. Our library is a sanctuary of knowledge, where students immerse themselves in books and research. It's a place to cultivate critical thinking and a love for learning, inspired by the Islamic pursuit of knowledge. At the heart of Australian Islamic College Dianella is its mosque. Here, students strengthen their faith through prayer, reading the Quran and building a lifelong connection with Allah, and a commitment to spiritual growth. Australian Islamic College Dianella, your ticket to success in this life and the hereafter.